Good afternoon, my wonderful online chemistry colleagues and classmates and friends. We have done quite a number of some subtopics under acid, base, and salt, and I want you to enjoy this lesson. Just get a paper, get a book, a paper, and a pen. In that book you'll be writing, in that paper you'll be jotting. Now let us continue under types of salt this afternoon and see what it gets to give to us. Types of salt. Now we have the normal salt. Normal salt are formed, like I explained even in the last lesson, when all the replaceable hydrogen ion in the acid have been completely replaced by metallic ions. Example, look at sodium chloride here. NaCl is sodium chloride. ZnSO4 is another salt. Now, these salts are normal salts. The reason is because there is no any form of hydrogen here. All the hydrogen that's supposed to be in this acid that would have made it HCl has been replaced by sodium. Please put it on your mind, and this is the reaction here. This is an acid, hydrochloric acid, reacting with a base, sodium hydroxide, to give us sodium hydroxide and water. Sodium hydroxide and water. I guess you can see that. Let's move on to the next slide. Look at the way it is here. Normal salt are neutral to litmus paper. They are very neutral. That is, the pH is 7. Let me give you a gist here. If I visit you in your house with a bottle in my hand and I tell you this is an acid, but the pH of this acid is 7, will you be confident enough to drink it? If no, that is, you don't know your chemistry. If yes, it shows you know what you are doing. As long as the pH is 7, it is neutral, then you are good to go. Look at what it gives us. Also, ammonium chloride and sodium sulfide hydrolyze and their pH change. Let's go to the next. We have acid salt. Acid salt. Acid salts are produced from dibasic or tribasic acid when all the replaceable hydrogen ions are not replaced by the metallic ion. That is, they are partially replaced by metals. That is when you have what we call acid salt. Look at it completely here. We have this type of salt still contain replaceable hydrogen ion. Such a salt is acidic in solution and turn blue litmus paper red. It is capable of forming a normal salt in the presence of excess alkali. Now, these are the examples of acid salt. When you have, this is a dibasic acid plus a base NaOH, then you have NaHSO4 plus H2O. You can still see this is NaH, this is sodium, hydrogen, tetraoxosulfate 6. There is still hydrogen here, thereby it is called acid salt. If this acid salt is made to react with another or excess base, sodium hydroxide, is automatically going to give you a normal salt. Look at this, is a normal salt because there is no atom of hydrogen in it at all. Let's move on to the next slide. Basic salt. Basic salts are formed when there is an insufficient supply of acid for the complete neutralization of base. Look at this. This is barium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid give us barium hydroxide chloride. Look at this one now, is a basic salt. It's basic because there is OH here. This is basic. This is the ionizing equation here. So with this, you should be able to know what normal salt is, what acid salt is, and what basic salt is. So learn this, write it down, ask yourself questions, and continue to watch this YouTube channel. More topics, more subtopics shall be treated. And before the COVID-19 would even be over, you can be a master of yourself by learning all this. So stay watching.